There she is. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got something for you guys. I like to do a lot of horse trading. I horse trade for almost everything I got. I trade something for this, trade something for that, sell this and trade whatever you got. But anyways, I used to have a, I guess this is where the story starts, is I used to have a Volkswagen thing. I'll show a pickup real quick. And I actually bought a bus for it. I bought a bus, I fixed it up a little bit, got it running, made it kind of like a semi-daily driver, weird like that. Traded it for a couple things, and I traded it for this thing. And well, anyways, in my old house, I had a gym installed in my house one day, seeing all the Volkswagen stuff. He's like, hey, I have one of those old things like that. And of course, me being the horse trader I am, I'm like, cool, you know, let's go look at it like that. I went and looked at it. It's been about 6 or 7 months ago, something like that. And it's definitely a parts thing, you know. I think you could easily restore it for sure if you wanted to, if you were just wanted a Volkswagen thing to redo it. But I already had one, so I was like, I'm gonna make like a parts car out of it. You know, a lot of people want these things. There's only, for America, to my knowledge, there's only a 2-year-only car, 1973 and 1974. Well, anyways, fast forward, I actually traded my thing, got some land out of it for my house. But we've actually already sold our house, we moved, all that fun stuff. Well, anyways, I had people reaching out to me and say, hey man, you got some thing parts and stuff like that. And it kind of, I remember like, hey, I forgot, you know, there's this thing that this guy has. Well, anyways, he finally called me day before yesterday, something like that. So, it was supposed to be raining the next day or whatever. So, I got out of work the other day, jumped my truck and, hauled butt out there. I was a little concerned with where it was, the rain, and it's in a plowed field. It's like a, so anyways, I jumped my truck and I guess let's go look at this thing. Well, I just got off work, so I'm gonna, the rain picked up just a little bit. I'm a little worried about where the thing is because it's in a like a plowed field. It's like that, and I have a Dodge diesel, so it's kind of heavy a little bit. So I'm gonna go over there and get a trailer from my dad's house. And I'm gonna head over there. I'm gonna try to walk it out or whatever and see if I can pick this thing up because I already have some of the parts sold off of it. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get it today if I can. But because normally here in Texas, when it rains, it just rains for several days, and then you gotta wait a couple more days just for it to dry out. So let's go to my dad's house, get the trailer, and let's haul butt out there and see if we can get this thing today. Correctly, we're gonna go, see, it's out in this big huge field out here, big huge field. I'm just gonna test to see if the ground isn't too wet. It don't look too bad actually. I can't remember what this thing even looked like, honestly. The woods, I think it'd be fine, just as a precaution. It's so pretty out here. There she is. Well, there she is. Not too bad. I couldn't remember her. She's a little dent in the door up there. The windshield is actually worse than my other one. That's been bondoed up. I thought that, okay, there's the door. Of course, it's kind of a Flintstone right now. I think you can probably see my foot under there. Looks like it has all the windows in it. Okay. Actually, it don't look too bad, but definitely needs some love. for sure. Where there's no engine in there. Alright, cool. Got another little cool little car over here. Little MG. That's MG. I don't know. Yeah, it's MG. No! No, it just started pouring rain. Go here, her little setup. Come make a little setup. It's just a big old battery that I don't know where my dad got this battery. Pretty much just a big old battery like that. And we got a winch. What we did, we welded a little receiver hitch on it right there, so you just flip. And this is a little winch tray, so you can unplug it. You can put it on mini trailers, whatever you want. Just a little cool little thing we came up with. Like that. And you just go over here, do that. That. Get your little tray. Kind of like a little jerry-rigged winch system we got, but hey, it works. Yeah, we got power. All right, well, there she is. Not too bad. I mean, I can't remember. She's kind of ugly. Like, she's got a little bit of rust down here. Not too bad. Of course, the floors always go bad in the damn thing. The windshield. I don't know. I want to say that windshield is almost toast. You can see right there, it's pretty bad. That door. Well, there, I think both seats are in there. That headlight switch. Yeah, that headlights. I think it's garbage. She sure is ugly, that's for sure. But hey, I couldn't complain with the price I got this thing for. So, alright guys, what do you think about that thing? Literally, think. Anyway, I couldn't complain on the price of it. I didn't give too much for it. I think it's well worth what it is. He supposedly has a title to it. We agreed a price for it if it had a title. If not, then we'll renegotiate. But either way, I can't complain, honestly. I'm not sure exactly what I would do to it. I thought about selling some parts off of it, but because I couldn't really remember what the condition it was in. Now look at it's a little better. It's ugly just because it's red and orange, and it does have some Bondo on it for sure. I'm gonna get back to the house. I'm gonna clean it all out, see what I actually got to deal with, and plus one of the parts I think about selling is actually worse on this one. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. Yeah, we'll take it back to the house. Thankfully the rain stopped. I was afraid it started raining on me there a little bit. I don't know if you caught it in the video. It was raining, and this is like a plowed field. You know, it's like a farm. You know, I live in a kind of a small ranch, little town per se. But you know, it's just this guy owns. I think he owns like 1,000 acres out here. But I was worried that field being plowed, once a plowed field gets wet, it really gets kind of soupy and mushy and stuff like that, and I was worried about that, but I got lucky that the sun actually came out on me a little bit, so that was cool. Alright, well, let's get this sucker home and see what we got. Alright guys, I finally got it home that night, and it just started pouring rain on me, so I couldn't really do anything on that. It finally stopped raining. It was a little too dark. Went out there with my flashlight, started looking around, started pondering what I'm going to do with this thing. And I keep saying thing, and it actually is a thing, so it's kind of anyways, figure out what I'm going to do with it, and I figured out that I wanted to try to just sell the whole car together. I've actually posted up just on a few Volkswagen specific like Facebook pages like that. It's only Volkswagen guys, and I actually had quite a bit of interest in it on the whole car. I've had a lot of people interested in the parts, so I want to try to sell it as a whole thing. That way I can just get rid of it all at once. At my new house, I don't really have my big old shop, and I don't have nearly as much room as I used to. So I mean, I can part it out, but it's gonna, you know, be at my house. It's gonna be sitting outside, and kind of taking up real estate I really don't have. But if I have to, it's what I gotta do. So hopefully I sell this whole thing together, and then. But if not, I'll eventually, I guess I'll just pull the plug on that one, and I'll just start partsing it out, because I got a lot of people that want parts. It's like that. I haven't got the title yet. I'm still waiting for the guy to give me the title, so that'll kind of change whether or not someone actually wants the whole body itself like that. But now that's it. That's what I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I like looking for things, trying to find stuff to buy and sell and flip or just build or whatever. I like finding things. To me, that's like my hobby for things, is just finding things and seeing what's out there. Alright guys, well I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, you guys take care.